Hello dear students, today we will discuss numerical integration. In numerical integrations, this is the Newton's chords and quadrature formula for equidistant ordinates. So this is lecture number 3rd. In lecture number 3rd, the first one is trapezoidal rule, second is Simpson's 1/3 rule, third is Simpson's 3/8 rule, and the fourth one is Weddell rule. So before starting the rules of different rules, we just give the idea about the numerical integrations. So what is numerical integrations? Actually, it is the process of evaluating or obtaining a different integral of a to b fx dx from a set of numerical values of integrand fx when the process is applied to the integration of a function of a single variable. See, when the polynomial of single variable, then the process is called quadrature. When we have the single variable of a polynomial and by solving the integration of our a to b fx dx, then this type of process is known as quadrature. The process of numerical integration is solved by fitting of a suitable interpolation polynomial to the given set of values of fx, then the integrand is within the desired limits. Means that we have already discussed the previous many more methods and we get the desired solution of interpolation of polynomial forms. Now these polynomial forms will solve by definite integrals. The process is called quadrature. A general quadrature rule formula, Newton's quadrature formula for equidistant ordinates. We shall obtain the following formulas. The first one is trapezoidal rule, second is Simpson's 1/3 rule, third is Simpson's 3/8 rule, and the fourth is Weddell rule. Now, taking example, this is the problem. Evaluate integration over 0 to 6 dx divided by 1 plus x squared by using trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule, Simpson's 3/8 rule, and Weddell rule. Solution. We have the function is y equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus x squared. Here the limit is, lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 6. Since we are to use Simpson's and the rules, we shall divide the range 0 to 6 in such a manner which is divided by 2 and 3 both. Therefore, we divide the range of integrations into 6 equal parts by taking h equal to b minus a divided by a, upper limit minus lower limit divided by n. N is the number of intervals is 6 minus 0 divided by 6, that is 1. So the value of h is 1. Now the values of the given function y equal to 1 by 1 plus x squared computed to each point of subdivision are as given below. So when we start the problems by solving trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule, Simpson's 3/8 rule, Weddell rule, before starting the solution, just we put the function is, see the function is y equal to 1 by 1 plus x squared. What is the lower limit? Lower limit is a, upper limit is 6. Now divide, find out the value of h. H is b minus a divided by n. So this is 6 minus 0 divided by 6, that is 1. Now compute this function into subdivision are given below like this. This is the tabulations of the functions. X is, this is x, x0 equal to 0, x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 1, x3 equal to 1. We have already defined the value of h. H is 1. So the difference between these two values of x is 1 1. X3 equal to 3, x4 equal to 4, x5 equal to 5, x6 equal to 6. Now putting these value of x in the given function, that is function is 1 by 1 plus x squared, x is 0, that means 1 by 1 plus 0, that means 1. So the value of y0 is 1. Similarly, on putting x1 equal to 1, here 1 by 1 plus 1 square, that means 1 by 2 means 0.5. x2 equal to 2, again putting 1 by 1 plus 2 square, that means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means 0.2. Similarly, x3 equal to 3, here 1 by 1 plus 3 square, that means 1 by 10, that is 0.1. Similarly, x4 equal to 4, so we get y4 equal to this 0.0588, and x5 equal to 5, and we get y5 equal to 0.0385, and x6 equal to 6, we get y6 equal to 0.027. So this is the tabulations of the given functions. Now the first rule is trapezoidal rule. So by trapezoidal rule, we have the formula I equal to h by 2 sum of first and last ordinate plus twice of sum of all intermediate ordinates. So the trapezoid, again I repeat the trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule is I equal to, I means integration. What is integration? Integration is 0 to 6 dx divided by 1 plus x square equal to h by 2 sum of the first and last ordinates plus twice of sum of all intermediate ordinates. Ordinate means y, the values of y. That means I means the given function, whatever the question, 0 to 6 dx divided by 1 plus x square equal to h. We have already defined the value of h is 1, h by 2, y0 plus y6. See the formula, sum of first and the last ordinate means the first ordinate of y is y0 and the last ordinate of y is y6, plus twice of sum of all intermediate ordinates means rest of all ordinates y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. See in table, this is the ordinates values y0 and y6. This is the first ordinates, that means y0 equal to 1, and this is the last ordinate, y6 equal to 0.027. And what is the intermediate ordinate? Rest of these two means y0 and y6. Rest of these ordinates is known as intermediate ordinates of y series, that means y1 to y5. So the first trapezoidal rule is h by 2 sum of first and last ordinate plus twice of sum of all intermediate ordinates. So this is the result, h by 2 y0 plus y6 plus twice of y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. On substituting the values of the all ordinate values of y from table, and we get the result is 1.4108. Now the second rule is Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule. Similarly, by the Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule, we have the formula is h by 3 sum of extreme ordinates plus 4 times of sum of odd ordinates plus 2 times of sum of even ordinates. Means that sum of extreme ordinates means extreme means that means first and last, that is called extreme ordinates, means that is y0 and y6 plus 4 of sum of odd ordinates means y1, y3, y5, and plus 2 times of sum of even ordinates means y2 and y4. Now on substituting the all ordinates values from the table, and we get the Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule is 1.3662. Now the third rule is Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. By using Simpson's 3 by 8 rule, we have the formula I equal to 3h divided by 8 plus sum of extreme ordinates plus 3 times of sum of all ordinates except multiple of 3 plus 2 times of sum of ordinates of multiple of 3. Here is the result, 3h divided by 8 plus sum of extreme ordinates means, as I have discussed already, the first and the last values of y, that is the extreme ordinates, plus 3 times of sum of all ordinates except multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means 3, 6. We have already used the 6 here. So sum of all ordinates except multiple of 3. So except multiple of 3, rest of that is y1, y2, y4, y5 and plus 2 times of y3. On substituting the value of all ordinates, we get the Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule is 1.3571. Now the last one is Wedel rule, and we have the formula of Wedel rule is I equal to 3h divided by 10 sum of extreme ordinates means y0 y0 plus y6 plus 5 times of sum of ordinates second from beginning and the last from second from last, and sum of all even ordinates plus 6 times sum of rest all ordinates multiple of 3. So this is the formula of Wedel's rule. Here 3h by 10 plus sum of extreme ordinates means y0 plus y6 plus 5 times of second from beginning and second from end, that means y1 and y6 y5, because last one is y6 and second last is y5 plus y2 plus y4 plus 6 times of y3, and on substituting the values of ordinates and we get the result is 1.3735. Now by actual integration on verification, when we direct integrate it, the result is tan inverse x 0 to 6. On substituting the limit tan inverse 6 minus tan inverse 0, that is 1.4046. What we consider, we have which shows the values of integral found by Wedel's rule is nearest to the actual values followed by its value given by Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule. So this is the verification process. Now again I repeat from starting to end. जैसा कि हम लोगों को यहाँ पे सिम्पसन्स 1 by 3rd रूल, ट्रेपेजॉइडल रूल एंड सिम्पसन 3 by 8 रूल एंड वेडल रूल को यूज करना है। सबसे पहले हम लोग फंक्शन को देखेंगे y इक्वल टू 1 by 1 plus x square, lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 6. We find h equal to b minus a divided by n. This is the formula of h. And what is n? N is for how many equal divisions. So 0 to 6 we divide into the 6 equal parts, so we get the value of h is 1. Now we form the table. This is the x, and on substituting the value of x, and we get the different values of y, that is ordinates values of y. Now the ट्रेपेजॉइडल रूल का फॉर्मूला है I इक्वल टू h by 2 sum of first and last ordinates plus twice of sum of all intermediate ordinates, and on substituting this value and we get the trapezoidal rule. Similarly the Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule and Simpson's 1 by 8 rule. And rest of Wedel's rule. Thank you.